Hello traders and investors, in the United States, and everywhere else, around the globe. Welcome to the Patrick and Stephanie Show. We truly appreciate your engagement with us. Please comment when you can do so. Let the show begin. Stephanie here. The SPY SPDR, S&P500 ETF, is trending upward, plus 5.76 for the past week ending on March 24, 2023. In our opinion, not investment advice, next week will continue to be epic and not in a good way. Be aware, be awesome to not miss out on the rapid changes in market trends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the upcoming trading week, ending on March 31, 2023, our proprietary algo forecasts the following potential trend for each of the following metrics, either bullish or bearish. VIX index, bullish. VIX index, bullish. SPY index, bullish, but likely not sustainable. West Texas Intermediate, crude oil, bullish. QQQ, bullish. Copper, bullish. And of course, the VIX, SPY correlation variance, bullish. The sucker rally continues. So what? So, our conclusion for the week ahead is that, surprise surprise, our algo indicates that the bulls, at least for the week ahead, are in control. Our SPY VIX correlation variation metric, confirms this of course. In our opinion, massive global bank runs are still ongoing, notwithstanding the massive printing of fiat money to stem the run on banks. This is, of course, not investment advice, but fasten your seatbelts, a bumpy ride awaits. Swing traders and day traders will make money, the traders that are not nimble will be crushed, in our opinion. For the past few months, we have been saying that we are entering a global depression, not so much a recession. Dan, at I allegedly, on his YouTube channel, is sharing that the D word may be more likely than a mere recession. What do you think? We agree with other analysts, that the equity markets are completely disconnected from the reality of the collapsing economies of many countries around the planet. When we have a bullish week as we experience, intermittently, during this epic bear market, it demonstrates that Wall Street is oblivious to the pain being felt by Main Street. Indeed, this disconnect between Wall Street and Main Street is growing, a lot. We continue to think that when a rally occurs, that it is nothing more than just another sucker's bull rally in the ongoing bear market. As the sucker's rally plays on, in our opinion the ship, just think of the Titanic, continues to sink, and increasingly so. We do not think we have seen the bottom. Keep in mind, volatility is still very much with us. Indeed, the bear market is still very much with us. We always like to see at least a 3 or greater week period in which the market is in a bull trend before we can determine a potential bottom for the market. Be careful in trading for the next 1 to 3 weeks, and more. It's a jungle out there. Patrick and Stephanie, signing off. Have an awesome week everyone.